We come back to Wilton Park to walk Rosie. It's Saturday and it's raining, but me and Ula don't necessarily see that as a problem, but the rest of you do. Like, this is a car park, yeah, empty. Not seeing so many people out. It's a Saturday, yeah, it's a weekend, so people are going to come out. It's a weekend, but there's not many people about. You know, these, what are these? Are these geese? Yeah, these geese don't care, do they? You know, they're usually wet anyway. Pigeons, they don't care, do they? This is the lake at Wilton Park. It's nice, pleasant. Don't know what this is supposed to be here, some water feature, but it's never running. But at least put a nice attractive bin right on top of it. I'm all just vibing. This seems like an example of respect around here. Like, these ducks, they're wary. These birds are staying away from me, but they're not running off, they're not flapping away. You know, it's like they don't get too much aggro, too much grief from the people around here. Yeah, very multicultural area around here, but you know, we all seem to be respecting these animals. Yeah, it's a level of respect, isn't it? Look at these regal boys or girls. Not sure how you sex a swan. Probably rub its neck. These ducks don't give a oh, that one did. Fume shaking his ass. You know how you sex a duck? The colourful ones, the good looking ones are the boys. These ugly ones, these are girls. They're quite pretty, aren't they? But look at this, striking in it. Rose is a menace, and she's found King Duck, like King Dodo. Like, what's that? Yeah. Is it a chicken? Is it a dinosaur? Whose dream have you come out of? Fucking hell. Yeah.
Make a photo.
Looks delicious. I'll send you to my guts. Yeah, is this a result of multiculturalism? Like, yeah, part duck, part chicken.
Is it a duck crossed with a swan?
Yeah, is it a duck swan? A dwan? A swook? Oh, look at these boys running. Why are they running? Because of this little prick. Such a bully. Like, literally, this is a French bulldog, like the worst. Yeah, this is about the only time I can film kids park, yeah, when it's raining and none of my parents dare bring them here. Yeah. When I was a kid, I used to love playing around it rain. Never had any problem with it. My parents always used to have a problem with it, and my mother. She was very outdoorsy. But yeah, I suppose back in day when I was a kidder, we'd be down here playing it rain, it wouldn't be a problem. Well, we would probably be up here playing in trees. Yeah. Building bases and stuff when I was a kid. All about building bases and digging holes. I always used to come home absolutely that bright. People are so scared at rain. I'm talking about going in lakes and rivers and stuff in Poland. It's been part of the way of life out there, and we don't use as water out here. I mean, well, you know, I'm not surprised. We don't even use as spaces when it's raining, you know. But just prepare for the occasion. Like, put a raincoat on, you're fine. Yeah, the world looks different when it's raining. Still beautiful. I like the rain. I like the sounds it makes. And some people fall asleep to white noise. Well, here you go. Natural occurring white noise.
Me.
Yeah. Everyone loves it.
Thunderstorm.
Yeah, but we live in the attic of our house, meaning the roof's just above his head. So when it's raining, you hear it. And it's relaxing. I like the contrast in between the warmth and coziness of my bed and the hostility of the outside. You know, I imagine myself being outside in the rain and it being very cold, and I wrapped in my bed, and it makes my bed feel even more comfortable. I appreciate my bed more when I can hear the hostilities outside. Rose is trying to run in between all the raindrops, and I think she's given up now. She's just wet dog. You know, there becomes a point where you're wet. Yeah, like, you're not going to get any more wet. It's like jumping into ocean. You know, once you're in, you're in. Same with rain. Remember when I was a kid, I used to play out, and this one thunderstorm just came out of nowhere. It all just came down like a sheets. We were absolutely drenched, but we were warm, and me and my friend couldn't get any more wet, so we were like, well, do you want to go inside? They said, no, let's just play out in rain, and we were just making the most of it, singing, let it rain, let it rain, let it rain, whatever, and, just loads of nonsense sort of stuff. We were like an event, yeah, and it brought interest to the day. I remember that day, yeah, I remember the rain. I remember lots of rainbows I've seen. They feel quite special as well, and you don't get them with rain. We need water to survive, yada yada, but I don't know why people are so scared of it. Very avoidant of it. I suppose women, I can understand it messing your hair, or men messing your hair if you have any. But so what? It's been raining out. What's the speediest sort of potato? A wet one? You need a speedy? No? Off. Oh, sticky. Right, she's got her sticky. Now, I presume she wants me to throw this big one here. How speedy she is. Is it going to hit her? Oh. Now she's got it. She'll come back. She'll drop it. Oh, yeah. Gymnast. See, roundabout here all flooded. It's dead. We've got some lads hanging out up there after rain. Alright, so we do have some people at Wilton Park, but what I'm saying is, you're not wearing dressed here? Yeah. Put your raincoat on, put your big boy pants on, get us an hat.